Ethan, say hi.
Say hi.
What can you say? What can you say? What can you say about the vacation? Hmm?
Pwede ka ba?
We're so high.
Di ba pakalito si Enjutsu?
Oh, we're almost there na.
Oh, wait lang. Will you tell Teacher Lorraine?
It's like that.
Ethan, will you tell Teacher Lorraine? Huh? Ethan, will you tell Teacher Lorraine? No.
That's what.
Ethan, there's a boat there, oh. See? There.
There?
Yeah, downstairs. There's a boat. You can see the ocean, oh.
No, this one no, this one no, this one.
Then you can see the ocean there, oh.
Yes.
Pwede kaya mag-swimming dyan?
Baka hindi dito sa side nito.
Pero di ba sabi ni Uncle, yung mga mayayaman daw malapit daw
Daddy
sa
later on home.
sa
Daddy
beach.
later on home.
Ayun ang swimming, ano, yung may show, ano na.
Tapos ilagyan nila ng parang net.
Oo.
It's like the beach.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
like a beach.
Ala,
It's like
you know what, Ethan? We should go to the beach, but it's, ano daw sabi ni Karen, malamig daw talaga. Pero okay sana daw.
Can you say Elliot? How about Ethan?
Are you happy?
Yeah, we're topping.
We're on the top.
Oh, Ethan, oh, you see the ride? You want to ride there? There.
Where?
There, the yellow one. You can see it later.
No.
You're afraid?
Red one.
I'm afraid one.
We're going down.
That one.
Hmm?
I want to sit down that.
Oh, here. No.
Okay, pula, don't be makulit, malikot.
Say hi to Daddy. Hey.
Hi. Hindi pala mahangin, akala ko mahangin. Pag pala may anak ka na, mas lumalakas yun. Hindi na lang ako umupo dyan sa pwesto. Si Karen. Tata, ulo ka tata. Hi tata! You see that? Hi tata!
There, in the other car.
There, in the other car.
There's ice high up in there.
Up in the air. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Aww.
Elliot, what's happening?
Do you want to go to Korea?
Yeah, Korea.
Want to go to Korea?
What's happening?
You want to go to Korea?
Kita cake.
Tata! Tata!
Yeah, tigidig. Nay! Nay! Nga!
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, nay!
Yaman ng mga nakatira dito.
This one, yes. No, this one, yes. No, this one, yes.
Sabi ni Karen, simula daw nung nag-pandemic, humina na to talaga economy nila. Ang hina rin ng ano, ng mga bonus.
Go to the ocean.
No?
Yung mga bonus nila na affected. Kahit itong kabuhayan, kahit daw itong mga amusement park, tingnan mo daw, walang mga
Ready,
queue.
Dan?
Not yet,
Almost.
almost. Look at the beach, Ethan, no? Sit down properly, ah.
We're top on the ocean.
Oh, we're top on the ocean. What is this, cable?
Cable car.
Okay.
Cable car.
Okay. Good job.
Cable car.
Okay.
Cable car.
Oh no.
What happened?
And stop again.
Move it.
Daddy, huwag kang malikot. Elliot, aba. Huwag kang malikot, Elliot.
Oh, it's okay. It's moving again.
Nagpa-fluctuate siguro yung ano nila. Kuryente or what.
Oh, it's so top is again.
Hindi ko alam kung yan yung Stanley na sinasabi ni Karen eh. Yun o.
See the rhinoceros?
Where? Where's the rhinoceros? Huh?
Oh,
Ah,
it's like a horse again. Yay! What's happening?
Are you happy, Elliot?
Then you want to ride there, huh? The yellow and red?
No, I'm afraid. I want red one.
Okay, we will ride the red one, okay?
Nung
Welcome,
sumakay ba kayo
Daddy.
dyan, sobrang nakakatakot.
Huh?
Sobrang nakakatakot.
Nakalangot naman pa mo dyan.
Sasakay dyan.
Sakay ka dali.
Ayoko! Ba't bigyan mo pa ako ng gusi?
Hi,
Hindi na.
Nata. Say hi, Tata. Say hi.
Bye!
Wave your hands.
Wave your hands.
Wave your hands.
Tata!
Tata! Louder!